Hey friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, I'm going to share recruitment information from multiple companies. Now these are mostly like single location based hiring, but very good companies with very good offer. Almost all of these companies offer more than 5 lakhs per annum for the roles that I'm going to give you. So after watching the video, you can apply for any of these roles, okay, that you are eligible and willing. You can apply for this immediately. The apply links are given in the description below, right? So first, Dell Technologies, they are hiring software engineer 1. The location is Bangalore, India. So what you will be doing in this role, basically you'll be part of all the steps of software development life cycle. Okay, you'll be part of any of these steps of software development life cycle. So like developing, testing and integrating the codes, troubleshooting software reliability, review the requirement specifications and designs, okay, and also like developing and implementing test, assist with the development and review of technical end user documentation, etc., right? And so what is expected here in terms of technology? What is expected here? Extensive knowledge and hands-on experience in Java 8 and above, Spring MVC, Kafka and RESTful microservices development, and also like you should have good proficiency in multi-threading caching technology like Memcache, experience in SQL, NoSQL, experience implementing test-driven development and hands-on with unit cases, ability to code, debug using design specifications. So who can apply for this? Freshers up to 2 years of experience with a bachelor's degree or a master's degree can apply. So if you are a fresher, like with a bachelor's degree or a master's degree with the required skill sets like Java 8 and above and other things that I mentioned here, you can go for this. And also like they have given a desirable requirement like exposure to developing software for managing devices like PCs and notebooks, okay, so desirable requirements. See, the last date to apply is 1st of August 2022, but do not wait until the last date. Sometimes like they close many companies like they close the application even before the last date because many candidates apply for this. So those who are eligible and willing can go for this. Now coming to the test process, okay, now this information they have not shared it, so I just gathered it based on some of the recent hiring, okay, for the Dell software engineer 1 role. So the starting salary can be up to 7 lakhs per annum, right? And so first they have a written test which is like multiple choice question. It is either 1.5 hours or 1 hour 15 minutes, and you are tested on areas like computer networks, computer architecture, operating system, database management system, data structures, etc. And then subsequently there is an interview, technical interview, wherein in case of some candidates at least they have asked for a live coding, okay, so wherein you are given a problem, you are asked to code, you are asked to show the output, okay, so basically you have to implement that code. You are given of course time for that. Then you get like all the regular questions in like Java and like OOPS concept, right? So you get so this is in the technical part. And in case of some candidates they have had even a group discussion, right? And followed by interview, you have the technical interview, you have the HR interview, right? So apart from the regular HR questions, okay, some of the candidates have even got some puzzles to be answered in the HR interview, right? So this is regarding Dell. So we can expect like 7 lakhs per annum, right? And location is Bangalore, right? Last date to apply is 1st of August 2022, but those who are eligible and willing, just go for it immediately. Now next one, programmer analyst hiring by Cognizant. Now the location is Chennai, right? So qualification they have just mentioned graduate and engineering graduate. So responsibility here again, just like the previous role, you will be part of the various steps of software development lifecycle like requirements gathering, project estimation, capability development, design and analysis, coding, and of course testing, okay, so knowledge management, process improvements and adherence, defect management, etc. So in the must have skills they have mentioned Drupal administration, digital strategy and delivery, digital enablement and delivery, and good to have skills JavaScript, CSS, MySQL, HTML, PHP. So if you have like one or more of this, that will be good. And so so they have posted this on June 18th, okay, Chennai location, Cognizant, right? Now so for this, if you see, typically like you get like definitely you get like more than 5 lakhs per annum, and typically you have an aptitude test, technical and the HR interview, but so you have to like focus more on the areas in which they have asked, okay. So this is information regarding programmer analyst, Cognizant, Chennai location. Now next one, Oracle, they're hiring a software developer. Location is Bangalore, right? So they have posted this on 16th of June, right? And so here they've just mentioned, like 0 to 2 years of experience can apply. Here again the same, right? You'll be part of the software development lifecycle, design, develop, troubleshoot and debug software programs for databases, applications and tools and networks, etc. Of course you're expected to be strong in being Oracle and all. You're expected to be strong in database management system, right? SQL, right? You should be very strong in SQL. You can expect a lot of questions in SQL in the interview, right? So as a member of software engineering division, you will be using basic knowledge of software architecture to perform tasks associated with developing, debugging or designing software applications or operating system according to provided design specifications, build enhancement with an existing software architecture. So work involves some problem solving with assistance and guiding and understanding and applying company policies and process, gaining competence in own area and acquiring high level understanding of role, process and procedures. So BS degree or equivalent experience relevant to functional area, right? Or 0 to 2 years of previous software engineering or related experience. Okay, so freshers can also apply, right? So mostly, like, I think CSIT and related branches can apply, though it is not really mentioned that way. Okay, so I think some background in database, like and software, I think would help, right? So software developer hiring, so link is given in the description below. This is a recently posted one. Now next one, again 16th June posted, Dassault Systemes, they are hiring R&D development engineer for Bangalore location. Okay, so posted 16th June. So here the JD is design the software system, describing the specification in technical terms, okay, wherein you'll be selecting algorithms, theories or technology that will be used, plan appropriate user interface and etc. Develop and implement new functionalities described in PES. Okay, so code, compile and run the unit test according to implement process and metrics. Ensure knowledge sharing within the team about developments, work towards development convergence, regularly run lessons learned and RCA to identify areas for code quality, resolve quality issues, technical intelligence. Okay, so here bachelor or master in mechanical engineering is what they are asking, and should primarily possess the following qualities: very good problem solving ability, the regular stuff. Okay, and they are asking but they have given like bachelor and master in mechanical engineer, but they are asking like C++ programming, preferably on Windows program, OOPS concept, data structures and algorithm, right? So COM, CAD CAM, R&D methods, process and tools, software architecture, user experience and ergonomy, right? So apply link is given in the description below. Dassault Systemes, Bangalore, R&D development engineer, right? And so bachelor or master in mechanical engineer with the required skill sets can go for this. Now next one, Tata Communications, they are hiring engineer, software development, IT architecture. 17th of June they have posted this. Location is Chennai. So as far as JD is concerned, responsible for software development projects across multiple technologies for building new capabilities, driving automation and improve operational efficiencies, right? And so what they have asked for is software engineer or BCA right experience. Okay, 0 to 4 years. So freshers can also apply. Okay, so probably like those who are from computer science and related background can apply for this, right? So Tata Communications hiring software development, IT architecture, right? Now so this Intel hiring IT enterprise application development engineer, the issue here is I'm not sure about the date. Okay, the link is active, but when this was posted I'm not sure. Okay, so those who are eligible and willing can go for this. Freshers can also apply. A bachelor or master's graduate in computer science or electronics engineering, okay, can apply for this. The candidate must be self-starter and passionate about DevOps, agile development process, exploration, POCs and new solution development is what they have given, right? So location is Bangalore, Intel, right? Another hiring from Cisco. Now this also I'm not sure about the date, but the link is active, right? So Cisco hiring software engineer, quality and operations, right? So here you'll be part of like product operations, like support engineer for the end-to-end third-party software compliance and risk management, etc., right? And also be part of software engineer technology and quality. So develop client-side software using service delivery, distribution, or test automation, right? So who can apply? 2022 passed outs only can apply for this. Okay, so bachelor's degree, like basically like B computer science or computer engineering or equivalent can apply for this. 2022 only can apply for this, right? This also, like, I'm not sure about the date, okay, but the link is active. So 2022 CSIT and related branches can apply for this software engineer hiring by Cisco, right? And there is also one more link related to EY. So you can also go through that, and so those who are eligible and willing can also go for that, right? Now I hope the information that I have provided in this video was useful to you. If you like this video, click on the like button and share it with your friends who may need it. If you are not already subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing, and if you have any queries, please do post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.